So I'm standing here at Stump Sound Park in Sneads Ferry, Onslow County, North Carolina. In a moment, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the park and also give you a little bit of a tour. So I'm Joe and welcome back to the channel. Once again, if you're new here, would you consider subscribing to the channel? Hit that like button and that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put more of our videos out there. So did you know that Stump Sound Park gets its name from stumps that are out in front of the entrance of here at the park? Now, isn't that an interesting fact? Who would have thought of that one? So as I take you for a little tour around the park, some of the amenities are this one right here, 2 lighted tennis courts. And also they have 2 soccer football fields, 2 lighted baseball softball fields, 1 big open space, a tot lot, and 9 holes of disc golf. So this is one of the holes of the disc golf. This is number 12, and it is located at the beginning of the park. When you first come in, it's spread across 2 sides of the road here. As you can see, way out in the distance is another hole, and this one here is another basket. And like I said, it spreads all the way across the road. It's a very large area. And of course, this is another important thing. A pet peeve, so to speak. You got to keep your pets on a leash. So when you come into the park to the right, there is a little playground there, and I'll get a little bit closer to that as I walk. To the left, there are some picnic tables and some of these old-time grills that you can cook on. A little rusty, but I'm not sure when the last time these were used. Of course, there is a lot of handicap parking in the park. Over there is one of the lighted basketball courts and a place to even park your bikes. So as I mentioned, that is one of the new playgrounds that are here at the park, here at Stump Sound. Looks fairly new. Maybe in this past year they put this up. So this is one of the many nature trails throughout the park. And I'm not sure, you got to be careful when you walk through here. You may encounter alligators, snakes, and other wildlife. Oh boy. Well, don't have my long pants on, so I'm not gonna go back there and want to get a tick in my leg. And as always, these playgrounds are designed to keep kids safe. Safety is always important. And like many other parks, there's also a little free library. Take a book, return a book. And don't forget to always clean up after your pet. So as I walk down to the other end of the park, there is 1 baseball field to the left that is lighted. And there is also another one behind this little playground to the right at the end of the park. Also, there are some restrooms right here. And remember, alcohol is not allowed in the park. So if you're coming here, leave your alcohol outside the doors. So before I go any further, at the beginning I saw on the website that there was 2 lighted baseball fields, and I noticed walking around they must have added another one because there are now 3 lighted baseball fields. So in the rear of the park here behind one of the baseball fields, they have a batting cage that they recently just put up. So that is convenient for all the players that want to do batting practice, get their pitching skills in, their hitting skills in. So that's a good thing. So if you're planning on coming here, you must reserve all the fields before use. And the contact number is 910-347-5332. And the batting cage was donated by Guy C. Lee Building Materials and Jones Onslow Electric, Wendling Builders, and also Village Ace Hardware. Thank you to those who donated the batting cage. So that about wraps it up for another road trip on our channel, to be continued. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of these, please leave a comment down below. Give us some feedback on what you'd like to see. Where would you like us to go? And for your information, the Stump Sound Park is located on Highway 172, right off of 210 and US 17 here in Sneads Ferry. So I appreciate you taking the time of watching this, watching our channel. Don't forget to encourage us and to subscribe and hit that like button, hit that notification bell, share this video with all your friends and family. Oh, we would be so thankful. So, remember, thanks for watching, stay encouraged, and as always, to be continued.